We want to tell you about our woodworking event, Wood Dust, the Australian International Timber and Woodworking Festival.
Coming this October in Queanbeyan and Bungendore, southern New South Wales.
We're a couple of guys who have always loved woodworking. We've been banging on for years about what a celebration of woodworking should really be about.
We want to create a woodworking event that has something for everyone. We rang all our friends from Tasmania to upstate New York, and they answered our call for Wood Dust.
Wood Dust brings you the next generation of woodworking events. A selection of masterclasses featuring a range of internationally loved woodworkers, and a series of evening yarns, Q&A style, featuring Tom Lee Nielsen, Vic Tesselin and Matt Kenny from Fine Woodworking magazine. And
visit the Wood Dust Timber and Tool Marketplace at the Bungendore Showgrounds, featuring a Luthier's Lane and performance stage, free demonstrations, a Meet the Maker tent, all your favourite woodworking suppliers, and of course good food, craft beer and axe throwing.
Bungendore and Queanbeyan are Australian woodworking heartland, and the region offers you a vast array of local produce, fine wines and plenty of things to do.
So join Evan, myself and Blue at Wood Dust and immerse yourself in all things woodworking. Visit the website and get your tickets.
See you at the festival.